another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm working with Yolissa and I'm showing you guys how I installed this bombshell unit that I'm absolutely obsessed with. I love Yolissa, worked with them before. The hair quality is always on point. I already know I'm gonna be wearing this weekend, so definitely follow me on TikTok if you guys wanna see more footage of me wearing this unit. I'll have all the specs right here on the screen for you guys. And of course, as always, I will have the link to the unit down in the description box below. Just to show you guys, in the box, there is a band, a melting band. I don't know if that's what it's actually called. Some lashes, a wig cap that I did not use because I stopped using wig caps, and then a little edge brush as well, and of course the little satin bag. Y'all, like, this is the perfect like bombshell unit. The curls came curling and I just fluffed them out like this. Let's get into the video.
If I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you see what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. Don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. My love. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else can do what you do. That's why I'm not spend my life with you. I wanna please you any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
come in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so, baby, baby, baby.
Alright, you guys, that is the end of this video. I actually went off camera and added baby hairs. I was trying to do the no baby hair look, which I feel like it works. Sometimes it's a vibe and sometimes I feel like it's not a vibe. And in this case, I personally just like this unit with little baby hairs. But yeah, I'm trying to think if there's anything. I don't know. I don't have any complaints. The hair is super soft, as you guys can see. Super easy to run my fingers through it, like insanely easy to run my fingers through it. I used this brand called Go Glueless. They have a spray and also foam that acts as an alternative to glue. I'm just so excited to wear this outside, honestly. But that concludes the video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I have a lot of hair videos rolling out. It's been a really hectic month trying to get all of these videos out, and I have more on the way. I've just been batch filming and trying to edit as quickly as I possibly can. But definitely make sure that you're subscribed and check out my previous videos. I'm working with some really amazing companies. I'm excited to be able to share with you guys some of my favorite companies that I've worked with and some of my favorite units. Thank you guys so much for all your support, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.